Today we will do Introduction of Modern School. During the later part of 18th century, the British East India Company established its domain in India. They wanted to capture Indian culture and art. They developed Indian style with combination of European style. This new Indo-European style of painting was known as company style. The British set up schools in major cities such as Mumbai, Kolkata, and Madras. These schools were known as company schools and artists were known as company artists. The subject of paintings were portraits, landscapes, scene of Indian people, dancers, and festivals. The style blended traditional elements with a more Western treatment of perspective and volume. Most paintings were small and reflecting Indian miniature style. The Bengal school, which had gained popularity earlier, now came to called conservative. Many artists started experimenting with art in order to define new trends. The Indo-European art could not get popularity, so the artists left painting and started doing other jobs for livelihood. At this time, Raja Ravi Verma started painting Indian mythologic themes with European style and get popularity. He used European mediums for his paintings. Slowly, artists started learning new techniques like oil colors, mixed media, sculptures, graphics, etc. Afterwards, the Western art did not have any effect on Indian paintings. The new effect was that the artists started painting for their own happiness in their own style. So, in this way, modern art came to take shape in India.